back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Eastiana, and it's finally feeling like summer here, at least in Canada, right where I am. And today's video is all about protecting your hair for the summer and keeping it healthy all season long, so let's get started. Okay, the scorching hot sun is not our hair's friend, so it's good to apply a leave-in conditioner with SPF in it to cover and protect your scalp and hair strands to keep them from burning and drying out. You can also wear a hat, of course, which is always a good idea and super cute. You'll also want to avoid heat styling in the summer as much as you can to prevent damage. It's already hot out anyways. So if you need some heatless hairstyle ideas, we have a ton of inspo and tutorials in the description box below for you. My current go-to is the Luxy Hair clip-in bun. It's a heatless look. It gets my hair out of my face, which is awesome. It's super quick and easy to apply. One of my favorite hairstyles to wear for the summer. Next, if you've got access to a pool, you'll want to avoid putting your hair in too much chlorine, which can dry it out, damage your hair, plus turn it green if you're blonde or have lighter colored hair. Since dry hair pretty much acts like a sponge, you can rinse your hair with tap water or at the pool shower before you swim, so it will absorb less of that chlorine. And then after swimming, when you get out, you can rinse your hair again with tap water. And also a great tip is to add in some apple cider vinegar in there. That's really going to limit the chlorine damage on your hair. Speaking of dry hair, in the summer months, you want to make sure that you're hydrating yourself enough within, so drinking lots of water, and also taking advantage of weekly hair treatments like a hair mask or deep conditioner. You could also use a DIY hair masks if you don't have any deep conditioning hair products at home. So check out our video in the description box below for DIY hair mask recipes and instructions. They're super easy and quick to do, and you most likely already have all the ingredients at home. Another thing that tends to come up in the summertime, that's frizzy hair as the humidity starts to increase. There are a ton of things that you can do to help manage that and prevent this, and we've also dedicated an entire video to frizzy hair, and I highly recommend watching that after this, linked below as well. But a quick tip on frizzy hair in the summertime is to keep your hair hydrated as much as possible, again with drinking lots of water, using leave-in and deep conditioners, because dry hair again acts like a sponge and will absorb any moisture that it finds in the air. So the more humid it is outside and the drier your hair is, that's a recipe for really frizzy hair. We also recommend switching your pillow to a silk or satin one versus cotton, and instead of drying your freshly washed hair out of the shower with a regular towel, try swapping that for a t-shirt or microfiber towel. These types of fabrics are gentler on your hair and they cause less friction on your hair when you're drying it, so that's going to prevent that frizz up. Okay, that's it for today's summer hair tips video. Let me know in the comments below what your go-to summer hairstyle is, and make sure you're subscribed to the Luxy Hair channel. See you next video.